Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Nectar Lush Mattress. Now Nectar is a big name in the online mattress scene, and they've upped their game with the Nectar Lush, adding more layers and more comfort. So let's take a look. Now your Nectar Lush is going to arrive compressed in a box to your doorstep. It's free shipping. You just bring that box into the room of your choice and cut it open. It does come with a letter opener to help you cut through the plastic. Personally, I just prefer a pair of good scissors. It's just easier to cut through. It's a little bit faster. Now, when you get this on your bed and cut it open, it's going to spring to life pretty quickly. In fact, it only took about 15 minutes or so for our mattress to fully come to life and be ready to sleep on. The Nectar Lush is made with 3 layers of foam. It also has a stretch knit cover that's cool to the touch, and it's more pronounced than the original Nectar. We really did notice that when you lay your hands on this mattress, it does have a very cool feel to it. So that's great because you're going to sink into that mattress and you're going to need those cooling properties to help it keep you cool throughout the night. Now the first layer of foam is a very squishy layer. You're going to sink into it. People that prefer a very soft mattress are just going to love the Nectar Lush. Underneath that, you have a transitional layer of foam, and that's a more spongy feel. So it's going to be more reactive, but still incredibly soft. Beneath that, you have a 7-inch layer of firm base foam, and that's just going to provide the support layer for the top layers to work off of. All of this adds up to a 12-inch thick mattress, which is 2 inches thicker than the original Nectar, which comes in at 10 inches. The Nectar Lush was made to give customers in retail stores an option besides just the original Nectar. Now, this mattress is great for side sleepers. In fact, I think it's ideal for side sleeping just because you sink into it so much. And I have broad shoulders. I noticed that I was really able to sink into that mattress and felt cradled. You might be wondering if this mattress sleeps hot because you are sinking so far into it. Thankfully, they do use a healthy amount of phase change material. When I put my hand on this, I notice it's cool right away, and it stayed cool for quite a while. Underneath that, you have foams that are breathable with cooling properties as well. In terms of motion transfer, there's going to be absolutely no motion transfer. Just like the original Nectar, you're not going to feel any partner disturbance at all. Now, between the two, I would definitely recommend stomach and back sleepers stick with the original Nectar, unless you really know that you want a much softer feel. Then you may want to upgrade to the Lush. But if you are a dedicated side sleeper and you know you like soft, the Lush is probably the right mattress for you. The queen size Nectar Lush retails for $13.99 after discounts. You also get their 365-night trial, so you can try it out in the comfort of your house for an entire year, which is great. You can try it out in all 4 seasons to make sure that that cooling technology actually works in the middle of July. Finally, you get what they call their forever warranty. Now, I've spoken about the forever warranty with the original Nectar mattress, and this same warranty applies with the Nectar Lush. What that means is for the first 10 years, they cover any type of defect whatsoever and will fully replace your mattress. Beyond that 10 years, the same applies. So any defect from workmanship, you're fully covered, and that's for the life of your mattress. So what they do say is this definitely could be your last mattress. It could be. From what I know, I just like to switch up mattresses. That's just me. But if you do want to keep this forever, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. So my final thoughts on the Nectar Lush is that it truly is a premium, soft, lush feeling mattress. So it's going to give you a more luxurious feel than the traditional Nectar. The original Nectar is a great mattress. It feels great, very versatile. But if you are someone that likes a softer mattress, maybe you're a dedicated side sleeper, you would definitely want to take a look at the Lush. This mattress is available to try nationwide in stores. Hop on over to the Nectar website and they have a store locator which will show you the store nearest to you where it's available to try. We also have this in our showrooms, at our Sleep Sherpa showrooms. We have the original and the Lush to try out as well. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. You can get the full review and the latest discount codes.